If you're searching for the pinnacle of high quality and gas grill elegance, you have found it in the Weber Summit S670. It's a backyard dreamer's wish come true, with all the high-end features necessary to flex grilling muscles not previously known or used. The Summit gas grill arrives pre-assembled with only minor final assembly involving minutes, not hours. It's made to last and built to perform, crafted with only the finest materials and engineered to resist rust and discoloration. The body is comprised of a sturdy, painted steel welded frame, intended to be practically indestructible, ensuring your grill will last for years. The stainless steel lid features a center-mounted thermometer that accurately reads the inside temperature of the grill for preheating and cooking. Framing the lid are painted cast aluminum end caps for added strength and durability. For the ultimate in convenience, Summit gas grills come with either 1 or 2 grill-out handle lights, each with a built-in sensor which automatically turns on when you lift the lid, putting the spotlight on the food where it should be. A roomy storage area is enclosed by stainless steel doors with polished chrome handles and painted side and rear panels. There is ample space inside for both the LP tank and whatever barbecue tools you need to keep close. For safety as well as function, the Summit gas grill features 2 heavy-duty front locking casters and 2 heavy-duty back swivel casters that allow you to easily maneuver your grill on your deck or patio and then lock it in place. The Summit gas grill has large stainless steel work surfaces that flank both sides of the grill. The side tables are finished with painted cast aluminum end caps. The Summit gas grill meets every LP gas consumer's needs by featuring a backlit LED tank scale. Simple push-button functionality lets you know where you stand with fuel at all times. The SnapJet individual burner ignition system consistently and reliably lights each of the burners for ultimate and precise cooking control. Inside the Summit gas grill, heavy 9mm stainless steel rod cooking grates are built to retain heat and create perfect sear marks. The sturdy 12,000 BTU per hour input side burner makes the Summit a complete gas grill outdoor cooking station. The burner is large enough to accommodate sauté pans as well as saucepans and will allow you to conveniently finish your cooking process at one time in one place. The high-powered 10,000 BTU per hour input sear station burner is designed to step up the heat on demand for perfectly seared steaks, roasts, and chops. Your meals will have a tantalizing smoky flavor when you turn your grill into a smoker by using the integrated stainless steel smoker box with its separate dedicated 6,800 BTU per hour input burner. The tuck-away rotisserie system with a rear-mounted infrared burner makes spit roasting foods simple. Use the infrared burner for 20 minutes, then turn it off and finish cooking using the indirect cooking method. The heavy-duty spit can hold up to 2 large birds at a time. After cooking, store the spit rod and forks in the enclosed cart area, while the rotisserie's flip-up motor will tuck into the side table when not in use. The Summit S670 is Weber's top-of-the-line gas grill masterpiece, made with unflinching attention to detail and performance. It would fit so nicely in your backyard.
New Char-Broil Performance gas grills feature a sleek design, long-term durability, and quality cooking performance. The stainless steel burners can be easily adjusted to deliver high heat or low temperatures and emit flame from the top for even cooking and added durability. Simply push the electronic ignition to light your burners. Keep track of the preheat status and monitor the inside temperature of your grill. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure heat retention, are rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The removable porcelain-coated grease pan is easy to clean and resists wear and tear. Char-Broil Performance gas grills are available in styles and sizes to meet any budget. Durably constructed, choose from a cart or cabinet. And with 2, 4, 5, and 6 burner grills available, you can count on good times and great tasting food. Made to last, Char-Broil Performance gas grills are a durable and stylish choice for all your grilling needs.
The Spirit E310 gas grill has generous grilling space, along with consistent backyard chef features and its package. The porcelain enamometer that accurately reads the inside temperature of the grill for preheating and cooking. A roomy storage area is enclosed by a painted steel door. There is ample space inside for both the LP tank and grilling accessories. For safety as well as function, the Spirit gas grill features 2 heavy-duty back swivel casters and 2 heavy-duty front locking casters that allow you to easily maneuver your grill on your deck or patio and then lock it in place. For food preparation and handy entree plating, the Spirit gas grills have large stainless steel work surfaces that flank both sides of the grill. The front-mounted knobs and valves are precisely engineered to accurately control the stainless steel burners. The electronic ignition makes lighting a breeze, and the crossover ignition system allows you to light the other burners off the first without having to hit the ignition switch again. The easy-to-read fuel gauge accurately measures the amount of LP gas in the tank, so meal planning becomes a breeze. Inside the Spirit gas grill, porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates heat evenly and sear foods beautifully. The Spirit E310 gas grill is essential for the griller who demands power and performance, in addition to a quality grill investment that will serve the family for years to come.